Morning Albemarle, I'm Lexi.
And I'm Mickey.
Today is Thursday, February 6th, and it's now time for your morning announcements.
Here's what's going on around AHS.
How well do you know your history? During the month of February, you will get a chance to show what you know and win prizes in the Black History Trivia Contest. A question will be read once a week during the month of February. If you know the answer to the question, write it down and submit it during long lunch on Thursdays in the guidance office, not the cafeteria. This is a change. Students who answer the questions correctly will win a prize and have their names entered into a grand prize drawing at the end of the month. Stay tuned to the morning announcements for your chance to answer a trivia question and win.
Question for week 1. Name the first African American to receive an honorary degree from an institution where an English minister donated half of his estate and library upon death. This famous American said, "Success is to be measured not so much by the position that one has reached in life as by the obstacles which he has overcome."
Are you looking for the perfect Valentine's gift for the perfect guy or girl? Then buy a V-Day thing. $2 for a carnation, balloon, or song, 50 cents for a hug or kiss. Go to the SCA office for more information.
Students applying to participate in the exchange trip to Germany this summer need to have their applications handed in to Frau Trice or Frau Luther by tomorrow. Please check your applications to make sure that all 6 pages are included. If you do not have an application, you can pick one up in room 121.
We're going to take a quick commercial break and air a special message from the Lit Mag.
And in sports news,
the indoor track team competed in the conference championships yesterday. The boys team took first place, and the girls team had a solid showing, finishing in second place. The teams did their very best at the championships. Congrats, guys.
That's it for your morning announcements.
Have a great day, Albemarle.